Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick video on this. You know how your mirror sometimes has the black spots or it's wearing out due to like shaving cream and alcohol that you put underneath the mirror. As you can see here, it's really simple. All you gotta do is you just scrape it with a scraper, the edge that's flaking off. You see I'm doing it. Gently. You want to get all that black spot off. So I'm gonna scrape off some more. Again, do it gently. And you'll feel when it's flaking off, because it's very worn out, so it comes off really easy. Okay. You can see that. I still got a couple more black spots, but you want to get it really good. Get all that black flaking stuff off. Let's see here, I still got a little bit more on this side here in the bottom. So I went out and bought this Rust-Oleum Mirror Effect, and I'm gonna spray on it on the back of this mirror. Probably several applications to see if it works. But it's about $14 a bottle, and instead, you spend $14 instead of going out buying a $60 or $100 mirror. Saves you a little bit. It's a 6 oz bottle. But let's give it a try, see if it works. Okay, you guys can see this here. About 6 inches away. And let me clear it up. Here it goes. I'm gonna let that dry. We're gonna see how it comes out. Okay, playing the six application here. Let it dry again for about 15 minutes. And we'll see how it looks. See how it looks like. Zoom in for you guys. It's starting to get really thick and reflective. Let's go front here. Lift the panel up, see the front. Ah, look at that. Look at that. You can start to see the reflection. You can see my camera and see how it's still a little bit blur. I'm gonna apply some more here. A little tip here. When you do apply these, use a spray ball afterward. Let me do a quick application here. Afterward, you clean this with a wet towel so it won't clog. Clean the nozzle, the spray nozzle. See, all I'll do is wipe it off, because sometimes it clogs because you leave it in routine, let's say 15 minutes for it to dry. But I recommend just taking a wet towel and just wipe it off, and then your chance of having the nozzle clog will be less. So my verdict on this product, it works, but it's not gonna be perfect. So if you want a quick touch up, or you don't wanna replace the mirror, it does the job. But if you want a perfect mirror, to one that actually looks like it matches everything, then I don't recommend it. But for a touch up, it works. For rental property or whatever you wanna use it for, I think it works for like your. There is a link below if you're interested in this product. It is expensive, but again, like I stated earlier in the video, instead of spending $60 or $100, depending on the size of your mirror, to replace the mirror, you can go out and buy this for 15 bucks, do a quick touch up. It's not gonna be perfect, but it will get it done and makes it look, the mirror looks a little bit better than having a black spot on it. Okay, appreciate it, thank you. And until next time, take care.